You're juggling appointments, managing your schedule, and trying to keep your sanity. But are you also leaving money on the table? I mean, think about it. How many times have you finished a session, a consultation, or a class, and then had that awkward pause? The "how do I pay you" shuffle? Or worse, the "I'll send it later" that never quite happens? We've all been there, right? The friction between service and payment can be a real headache. And if you're using Acuity scheduling, you might be asking yourself, can this platform actually streamline that part too? Can Acuity take payments? That's the question we're diving into today. Because, let's face it, your time is valuable. And so is your income. You're not just running a business, you're building a livelihood. And the easier it is for your clients to pay you, the smoother your operation becomes. No more chasing invoices. No more awkward conversations. Just seamless transactions. But before we get to the nitty-gritty of Acuity's payment capabilities, let's take a step back and understand why this matters so much. Think about the customer experience. In today's fast-paced world, convenience is king. People expect seamless, frictionless interactions. They want to book an appointment, receive a confirmation, and pay for the service all in one go. If you're forcing them to jump through hoops, they're more likely to look elsewhere. Imagine booking a massage online. You're relaxed, you're ready to unwind. But then you're told you need to bring cash or write a check. That instantly kills the vibe, doesn't it? Online payments eliminate that friction, creating a streamlined and professional experience that reflects positively on your business. And it's not just about convenience. It's about security. Handling cash or checks can be risky. You have to worry about lost payments, theft, and the hassle of manual accounting. Online payment platforms offer secure transactions, protecting both you and your clients. They also provide detailed records, making it easier to track your income and manage your finances. This level of organization is crucial for any business, regardless of size. Now, let's talk about Acuity scheduling. You've probably heard of it, or maybe you're already using it. It's a powerful tool for managing appointments, scheduling consultations, and automating your booking process. But does it integrate with payment processors? The answer is a resounding yes. Acuity allows you to connect with several popular payment gateways, enabling you to accept payments directly through your scheduling page. This integration is a game changer. It allows you to collect payments at the time of booking, ensuring that you're paid for your services upfront. This reduces the risk of no-shows and late cancellations, as clients are more likely to honor their commitments when they've already paid. It also frees up your time, allowing you to focus on delivering exceptional service instead of chasing payments. So how does it work? Acuity integrates with popular payment processors like Stripe, Square, and PayPal. These platforms offer secure and reliable payment processing, allowing you to accept credit and debit cards, as well as other payment methods. Setting up these integrations is relatively straightforward. You'll need to create an account with your chosen payment processor and then connect it to your Acuity account. Once connected, you can configure your settings to determine when and how payments are collected. For example, you can choose to require full payment at the time of booking, or you can offer a deposit option. You can also set up recurring payments for subscription-based services or membership programs. Acuity gives you the flexibility to tailor your payment options to your specific business needs. And the benefit goes beyond just collecting payments. Think about the automated confirmation emails, the receipts, the client reminders. All of this can be tied directly to the payment, creating a seamless and professional experience. Let's break down some of the key advantages of using Acuity's payment integrations. First, it streamlines your booking process. Clients can book and pay for their appointments in one seamless transaction, eliminating the need for separate payment processing. Second, it reduces no-shows and late cancellations. Clients are more likely to honor their commitments when they've already paid. Third, it improves your cash flow. By collecting payments upfront, you can ensure that you're paid for your services promptly. Fourth, it enhances your professionalism. Offering online payment options demonstrates that you're a modern and efficient business. And finally, it saves you time and reduces administrative overhead. You can automate your payment processing, freeing up your time to focus on other important tasks. Now, it's important to consider which payment processor is right for you. Each platform has its own set of fees, features, and integrations. Stripe, for example, is known for its robust API and developer-friendly tools. It's a great option if you need advanced customization or integration with other software. Square is popular for its user-friendly interface and affordable hardware options. It's ideal for businesses that also need in-person payment processing. And PayPal is a widely recognized and trusted platform that offers a variety of payment options, including PayPal Credit and Venmo. Consider your business needs and your budget when choosing a payment processor. Beyond the standard integrations, Acuity also offers features that enhance your payment management. You can create custom packages and bundles, allowing you to offer discounts or special offers. You can also set up automated reminders for overdue payments or recurring subscriptions. Acuity's reporting tools provide valuable insights into your sales and revenue, allowing you to track your business performance and make informed decisions. Let's address some common concerns. You might be wondering about the security of online payments. Acuity and its integrated payment processors use advanced encryption and security measures to protect your data and your clients' information. You can rest assured that your transactions are secure. Another common concern is the cost of payment processing. While there are fees associated with online payments, they are often offset by the benefits of increased efficiency and reduced no-shows. It's important to factor in these costs when setting your prices and evaluating your payment options. And what about refunds? Acuity allows you to issue refunds directly through the platform. This simplifies the process and ensures that your clients are satisfied. You can also set up cancellation policies and charge cancellation fees to protect your time and income. It's always a good idea to clearly communicate your policies to your clients to avoid any misunderstandings. Remember, your time is valuable, and so is your income. Don't let payment processing be a bottleneck in your business. Embrace the convenience and efficiency of online payments and watch your business thrive. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.